I'm sure you've seen these videos on social media.
Give me the watch, let's give me the watch, let's give me the watch. Let's give me the watch, let's give me the watch.
These videos have been going viral for a while, especially the LilYatchyStageentrance video that has over 100 versions across social media platforms. These videos get lots of views, yet they are very easy to make. So in this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process how to create these videos for free and how to do it with 2 or more people. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. The tool we are going to be using in this video is called Vigil AI. Vigil is a free AI tool that allows you to animate human characters using text prompts. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Type Vigil AI into the search bar and then hit enter. Now click the first one here, which is the official website. Scroll down and click on join Discord and then accept invite. Now this will take you over to a Discord server. So if you don't have a Discord account, you will need one for this. To create a Discord account, first you have to go to discord.com, click login at the top right corner and then register. Fill out the boxes with your details and then press continue. Once you're in Discord, you're going to come over to this side and click any of these animate channels. Over here you can see a lot of different animations being created with this tool. As you can see from this example, this was the original video and it was swapped with this picture right here. Okay, now we are going to create our own animation. First thing you have to do is come over here to the message bar and type /mix. This command gives you an option to upload the video and the image you want to swap. Here I have this video of DJ Khaled dancing. And I'm going to be swapping it with this picture. So first I'll go ahead and drag my image and then the video to their corresponding boxes. Now you are going to select a background. You can choose any of the backgrounds over here depending on your preference. For this particular video, I'm going to be using white and then hit enter. Now we are going to wait for a few minutes for it to finish processing. So the results just came in and it took about 2.5 minutes. Now let's see what we got. You can see clearly that the video is animated, but it looks pretty cool if you ask me. So that's how these videos are created. Now if you want to swap 2 people into one video, that's where it becomes a little complicated. We are going to use the same approach, but this time we are going to involve an editing software. You can use any software either on your phone or your computer, but since I'm on my computer, I'm going to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have this dance video and I'm going to replace these 2 females in the original video with these 2 pictures right here. And to do that, first I'm going to drag my clip to Premiere Pro. Here I need 2 separate videos, one for the girl on the left and another one for the girl on the right. So I'm going to crop the girl on the left out of the scene. And I'm going to save this clip. After saving it, I'm going to do the same to the other girl on the right. And I'm going to save this too. Now I have 2 separate clips. It's time to swap them with our images. So we are going to head back to Discord and do the same thing we did for the first one. But this time we are going to do it twice. So let's go ahead and start with dragging our image into this box. For the video, I'm going to drag one of the clips I just cropped. Background, I'm going to select white and then hit enter. And here is what we have for our first clip. Now the first clip is done for our video, but remember these are 2 people in the video, so you have to do the second version. So again, I'm going to drag my image here, and then I'm going to drag the second clip here. Background white, and then enter. So this is the results for the first clip, and this is the results for the second clip. Now we have successfully swapped our characters into the video, but these are still separate clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag them back to Premiere Pro and then join the 2 clips together to form one video. Now let's see what we got. So this is how to swap any image into a video in just a few minutes. And these are some of the many videos I create here on my channel. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos I post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.